Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to make a logo background transparent in Wix. Whether you are using a logo you already have or creating a new one from scratch, these steps relate perfectly to each other to give your brand that clean, professional look. If you already have a logo with a solid background, you can fix it directly in the Wix editor using the Photo Studio. First, go to your Media Manager, select your logo, and click on Crop and Edit. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Cutout, and then select Auto Cutout. Wix's AI will automatically detect the background and erase it for you. If it misses a spot, you can click Refine Cutout to manually brush away any remaining edges. Once you hit Save, Wix creates a new version of your logo with a transparent background ready to use. If you are using the Wix Logo Maker to design a new one, the process is even easier. As you're finishing your design, head to the Download section. Wix automatically provides multiple file versions, but you want to look for the original on transparent PNG or the SVG file. These formats are built to have no background color, allowing them to sit perfectly on top of any color or image on your website without that ugly white box around them. The final connected step is ensuring it looks right on your live site. After you upload your transparent PNG to the editor, drag it into your header. If you notice the logo is hard to see against your background, you don't need to go back to a solid background. Instead, just click on the logo, select Settings, and use the filters or design options to add a slight drop shadow or adjust the brightness. This keeps the transparency while making sure your brand stands out. That is literally it. If this quick tip helped you polish your site's branding, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to make your entire header transparent next, and I'll see you in the next video.